What's poppin', boys?
Yo!
Oh, hey, what's going on?
So guys, today, we're gonna be playing some Animal Crossing. Wait, Animal Crossing.
No. I was about to say no.
Animal Royale. It's a fun game. It's epic. Please sponsor me.
Bro, we're being sponsored by this game right now as we speak.
Yes, please sponsor us. We beg of you.
As you guys may remember from my last gaming video, I am so poor that I'm playing on a toaster, so if you notice a little bit of lag, try not to complain. If you guys would like to ready up, you can.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's go, bro.
We're about to get some wins.
We're about to smoke some boys.
Yeah, let's go later on. So, yeah, I guess let's go to the research labs, like, yellow mark. And everyone drop!
Oh, snap. I did already. Is that a minigun? Oh, no.
Okay, so there is, dart gun, health juice, ninja booties.
Hey, yo, that's kind of sick.
Yo, hey, yo. I mean,
that's literally what it's called.
Guys, I think someone just landed with us. Ah!
Yeah, that's
I'm dead.
Oh, no.
No, he's finishing. No, bro, chill.
Okay, we're coming.
We got you. I got you. I'm coming to help you, Boyd. Or Matthew. Whatever, save that person.
Someone revive me! I'm gonna die!
Okay, I knocked down the person who was shooting at you, I think.
Thank you.
Go kill him.
We got this, boys. Okay. So,
I got you.
The reason why I'm really bad, guys, is because I'm used to playing on controller, but if I play on controller, my Wi-Fi deletes itself.
I got a guy. Bro, I got a guy.
Yeah.
It is actually easier than, normally me and Matthew are keyboard guys, but this is actually easier with a controller, not gonna lie.
Yeah, this is so much easier. By the way, guys, if you're wondering who Matthew is, that's me. So, like...
That's a Steam tag. His name is Steam tag is Matthew, so we call him Matt GDP.
Yeah, guys. So, like, I don't know what my YouTube name is by this time, but as y'all have seen, we're kind of changing the content, so, yeah. Because, like, you know, we're old enough to the point where we don't need to freaking scream in every single freaking video.
Yeah, but we really do enjoy what we do.
Oh, whoa!
Oh no! Oh no!
Run!
Oh, no!
Run!
Ah! Bro! Guys, we gotta get out!
Okay, we're good.
Wait, our teammate died!
He did? Oh, yeah.
Why was the clock moving so fast?
Yo, guys, good stuff over here.
Guys, we gotta go!
Boys, get ready, we gotta fight.
Yeah, there's so many people.
Get this guy!
He knocked me down.
Oh no!
Dead.
I'm dead.
Go, Danny. You got this.
Yo!
Yo! For the motherland!
You got this!
Dead.
Oh
no! You got this! I just died.
So, nice attempt, everyone.
That was good. We actually got a lot of guys this game. Normally we suck.
Yeah, normally we do absolutely terrible.
Same.
If you guys are hearing me cough, forgive me, my throat is in so much pain right now.
Mine was ew. Like, I had throat problems a couple weeks ago, and I still am having some sort of allergies, so...
I don't!
Yeah. This game, I listen, Matthew and Boyd are Fortnite guys, and it's I'm not really a huge Fortnite guy, but I kind of like this game a little. Just a smidge.
I wasn't a Fortnite guy either, until Matthew got me into it, and now I play it.
I'm an OG. Oh, maybe if we can figure it out, and if Sporky can, like, end up getting an account, we can make a video account.
That would be awesome. We could do, like, trios.
I made a Fortnite account when the game came out.
Imagine if you have, like, all the rarest skins.
I probably do. I bought some stuff.
He secretly got at the game.
But I don't remember what costume, so.
Well, boys, here we go. Are you ready?
It smells like butter in my house.
Okay, guys, here's a hot take on Arby's food. Arby's is hangover food. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hold on, guys.
Arby's is totally hangover food. Let's go. Are we going on the pyramid?
Yo.
No, there's so much loot in here. Oh my god. Any weapons?
Alright, boys, round 2!
Well, let's get it.
Wait, so the more,
Oh, there's someone
the
here.
more, oh, is there somebody here?
Yeah, he just lasered me.
Ah! Ah!
Oh,
No! Kobe!
Ah! No! No, I need to run, bro! I'm gone!
no! Waiting for a party.
No!
Bro, I'm swerving! I'm gone! Bro! They're chasing me! Bro, leave me alone, please!
They are thirsty.
Bro! What?
They're so thirsty.
They're thirsty. They were thirsty for you, bro.
What do you mean?
Get him. Get him. Got it.
You know exactly what I mean, Matthew. Anyway, bro, he's got the evil chicken skin.
Come on. Let's go.
Go, boy. Go. He's totally gonna win.
Guys, we're just gonna hope that our teammate can carry us for this win. I mean, we're all dead, but hopefully he can win this.
I have a feeling that he'll maybe last until like the top 10 or like the top 20.
I have a feeling he's gonna get us the dub.
Bro, we got that hamster ball. He's rocking that hamster ball, bro. Dude, we've just been spectating this guy. He's just walking around. He doesn't account for a single dude yet. Oh, there's a dude right there. That's that dude.
Get him.
Dead.
Yo!
Nice,
Yes.
bro.
He just, bro, look at that loot. Come on, bro. You
My
gotta
man
feast on
just
that.
hit him!
Oh man, you can run people over with the ball.
Oh, there's another guy.
Oh, get him!
No!
Oh, no!
Dead.
No! Alright, guys. So, Boyd, he died. No, I'm kidding. So, he had to go do stuff. But, you know what, guys? We'll play one more game. And hopefully
One
we
more game for you
win.
guys. One more game for you guys.
Hey, Mr. Editor,
go.
you should add some make a dramatic montage of this. Just like kind of make it dramatic.
Let's go. Last game.
If we die for a second, that would suck. Alright, boys. Our 2 teammates is Blue Slash. Oh, we actually teamed with this guy earlier.
Oh snap! Oh.
I think I have it on recording. So, editor, also can you double check on that? Thank you. Please and thank you. Alright, drop. Alright, guys, we're landing with a crap ton of people to make this interesting. I literally have no loot.
I don't have any loot at all. We're gonna have to melee this.
Boys, this ain't looking great. Hey, yo, there's one on me. I got him.
There's another guy above. Oh god, he's got a gun. He's got a gun.
No. Bro, I'm gone. I got a gun.
You're gonna have to shoot. But Alvin's still behind us. All right, I'm just gonna follow you. Okay, I got a grenade. I got 2 grenades.
Gun for you. Right here.
Let's go. I'll take
I'm gonna die.
No, we got it, bro. We got it. Let's just get this together.
Alright, got a shotgun.
Another grenade.
AK. Alright, bro, we gotta go.
We're just going to mid.
Yep. Oh my gosh, you!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh, the clutch!
I got him, bro!
Did you get both of them?
Yeah, it's just obscene. Because usually I die.
So boys, if you don't know what that was, that is something called protagonist power.
I'm gonna use my health potion because I got taken down quite a bit.
Alright.
Alright, so let's go. That's the second time I've ever killed a guy when we were fighting at each other.
Oh, shoot.
Because usually, we don't make it.
Blue Slash is dead.
Oh, crap.
This is it, guys. It's the final countdown.
If I can get 2 more layers of armor on this,
I'm honestly kind of terrified right now.
why? Because it's very.
Hey, can you ride this with me?
Whoa! Stop! Let's go!
We're gone, bro.
Yeah.
We're gone.
Yeah, let's go. Alright. Let me grab that potion.
Hey, bro, you want that sniper?
Okay, awesome.
I'm hopping on with you. All right, don't go in there. Don't go in there. There's a lot of people.
Red fight. No! We're not you, just go!
I'm sorry.
Dead. You're good, bro. Just go. Get a hamster ball, just run people over. Wait, can you kill the emus?
I think it can die if you shoot at it.
No. Well, it's just you. You wanna just chill in that corner?
Yeah.
There's only 10 dudes. Oh, there's a Japanese person.
Oh, there is. That's crazy.
Matthew. Oh, shit. Yo! You revive, fuck. Alright, so let's watch Drew's walk.
Oh my.
Dead.
He died.
Okay, we made it pretty far.
We got. What place did we get? We placed 4th. Hey, good game. Alright, boys.
That was fun.
Well, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, subscribe. Okay. But yeah, if you want to see more of this, you probably want. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, that's really all we got for today. So
You could definitely do more ANIMAL ROYALE and Minecraft and other games if you guys want.
yeah, if y'all want. So like we said, I know this is different content, and it's actually on my main channel, but like, I don't know, this is just kind of what we wanted. So yeah, sorry if you don't like it, but hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, see ya, boys. Goodbye.